Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Shahnawaz Ustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel Knowledge for All Seekers. I hope that you all are fine wherever you are. And in last video, today is our ninth day of our course, and in last video we have learned that how to create our blog. Okay, how to create our blog for our library. And in this video today we will learn that how can we set our blogs customization and how can we set our layout. Okay, how can we change our themes, how can we set our layout of the blog, and how to add new things in our blog. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. And for this we have to go in our internet browser. For using blog, you have to click on these nine dots. But before using these things, I have already mentioned you that for using any of the Google application, you must have to log in your Google account. So without Google account, without Gmail account, you cannot use any of the Google applications. Okay. So I have already logged in my Google account. So first of all, you have to log in your Google account and then click on these dots and scroll down. And this is our blogger. Okay, click on this thing. So this is our blog which we have created already, and these two posts we have published. How can we create post? We have already discussed in last video that how can we create our post of the blog. So for this you have to click on new post and write anything you want about your library. If you want to see your blog, then click on view blog. Okay, so this is actually a admin interface and this is our user interface. Okay, so this is our, our blog right now. So for example, if you want to make your own blog of your own library, you have to click and you have to write your post about your library. For example, just like I have already written that about library, and I have put introduction of my whole library. Okay, and library timings also, or many other things which you want to show, or you can write here fresh arrival. So also, just like this is our second post about fresh arrival, I just wrote simply that fresh arrivals are available in the library and will be ready for loan. So you can write names of your fresh arrivals also, and you can write many things about your library. Okay, so this is just like a website of your library. As I already told in last video that what is blog? Blog is just like a website or a part of a website. So this is our blog right now. So now we will learn that how can we change our theme, how can we change our design of the our blog. Okay, so you have to go in your admin interface of blog and click on theme for your changing theme. So these are the themes available for you freely. You can select any of the theme from these things, from these themes. Okay, so for example, we are selecting this as for a simple blog. Okay, select this and apply. Click on apply. Okay, and your theme will be applied to your blog. If you want to see my theme is changed or not, go in user interface and click on refresh. See, your theme is now changed. Now it looks like that. It's this theme is related to library also. Okay, so this themes this theme looks like that. Okay, now our theme is changed. That's how you can change your theme. Okay, you can put your own profile here. Okay, by using layout gadgets. How can you put your profile here? You can also put so I am going to tell you that how can you put your information about yourself also, and how can you edit your profile. Okay, if you want to see my full profile, then click view my profile complete, and we can also change our profile. Okay, if you want to change your profile, you can change from here. Or if you don't want to show profile in your profile in your blog, you can go in your layout. Now we are going to learn layout, and click on layout, and this is your blog structure, your whole structure of a blog. Okay, just like a skeleton of a human being, and this is a skeleton of your blog. Okay, this is a nav bar, and in user interface how a nav bar shows this. This is your navigation bar. Okay, this whole is your navigation bar, and this is header, and in user interface this is your header. Okay, this is your header. After that, what it's showing columns, cross columns, leave it. After that, main block, search this block. After in main body, first of all your option is search this block. Okay, in main, this is your search block, this is your search this block option. If you don't want to show, you can also remove from here. Only this thing will be available for searching if you want. Otherwise, this will also available in at here. Okay, and after that, there are the posts which you have posted, and these are the posts which we have posted. Okay, number one post is till here, and another is fresh arrivals new post. Okay, so I have just written fresh arrivals are available in the library and will be ready for you loan. You can write anything, and you can write also your fresh arrivals names also, which fresh arrivals are available in your library right now. You can write names, and you can write many other things in your blog. So this is just like a website also of your library. As I already mentioned you in last video, that blog is just like a website or a part of website. Okay, so this is just like a website of your library. You can write your own library's name here. From where, whenever you will create your new blog, your name will be asked. Okay, blog will ask your name of the blog. Whatever you want to write name of the blog, it will show here. Okay, this is the name of our blog, and this is our url which we have to remember. Okay, wherever you want to open your blog, so this will be compulsory to know. Okay, and this will be compulsory to remember. You have to write this thing, this url at where anywhere you want to open your blog. Okay, or if you have a gmail account or login, then automatically your blog will be open. Okay, but remember this thing, this is very useful. If you want to give your users if you want to use your blog, then uh, give this url to your users also, so they can also use your blog. Okay, so I was telling you that how can we change our theme. So this is how can we change our theme, and how can we set our layout. So for example, you want to remove this search box from here, from here. If you want to remove these things, you can just click on this search box gadget. These are called gadgets, okay? Gadgets means new features, any feature you want to input in your blog, okay? Any feature in any feature which you want to input in your blog, it is called gadget, okay? So these are the gadgets. So if you want to remove this, then click on edit and just remove from here, okay? Just remove from here. It is now removed. See here, it is now removed, and click on save. Remember, you have to save after any after any task you perform, okay? Click on save. Your profile is now saved, and then you have to click and see if changes or not, if it changed or not. Click on refresh. See here, this search box will be removed now. Your search box is now removed, okay? So now another thing, if you want to take it to another place, for example, about me, if you want to show it after your post, okay, so drag it to there. So now your profile, your this thing will be come after your these posts, okay. So that's how. Okay, save it first if you want to see. See your profile saved, and then click on refresh. See here, your about me, your profile is now removed from this thing, from this side, and come after your post. Your profile is now here, but it is not looking good. It looks good at this place, okay? So put it to same place if you want. Otherwise, you can put it to any place you want, okay? Put it here. It looks good actually at this place. Click on save, and then click on refresh. Sorry, it not saved. See, okay, now it is saved, and then you have to click on refresh. See here, your about me or your profile now comes here, okay? It looks good at this place actually. So if you want to change, or if you want to put any other things, if you want, you can put also, okay? If you want to make your any other pages, you can make pages also, as I already made this page, okay? And publish it. Select, publish it, and see either it is published or not. I already created one page about fresh arrivals, but it is not published right now because it was not saved, okay? So you can create your own page also, okay? So in layout, if you want to add anything, for example, you can add from here, okay? Add a gadget. Which gadget you want to add? For example, display information about yourself to visitors. This is already published. And for example, you want to show your followers, display a list of users who follow your blog if you want to see in your blog. So you can also put this thing also. Okay, so there are different types of gadgets are available. Okay, or for example, display the number of page views to your blog. If you want to see how many people watched my or visited my blog, you can put this thing also. For example, we are clicking on this, we want to put this thing also, okay, in your in our blog. Okay, so it is showing that configure stats pages total page views title. Now its title is total page views. Okay, and which time you are allowing, all the time. Okay, in last 30 days no, last 7 days no, we want to see all time clicks. Okay, how many people watched or how many people visited my blog. If you want to see, then you can see here. So this is how it will show in your blog. Okay, just click on save. These both, how you want to see this thing or this thing, this way or this way, you can see. Okay, or you can, if you want to show chart also, it will, the chart will also be shown. So I want to see in this style. Okay, so click on this and click on save. So this widget will be in your profile. Okay, here it is. Now it is available in your profile, but where you want to see this, after header or after main post or wherever you want to see, but it will be better that we put this thing in after posts. Okay, it will be better that we put this in the last of our blog. Okay, so save it and see how your blog looks like now. Refresh it. See here, our total page views are now counting. This blog is actually viewed 29 times right now. Okay, 29 times right now. This blog is viewed 29 times currently, and it will be increasing day by day if anyone visited your blog. Okay, so you can copy HTML code from any other places also. Okay, you are not bounded in only in blog, but these things you can copy and paste in your gadgets also. So by this you can see different type of styles of page views. Okay, and you can copy it from any other place also. So I think it's enough. You can change or take it to another place also, these things. If you want to make your attributions, for example, you want to see, you want to show that who has designed this blog, so you can write designed by your name. For example, I have written that designed by Shanwas. You can write your own name, designed by your own name, ABC, whatever your name is. So it will show on the bottom of your, at the bottom of your blog. Okay, attribution. Click on save. Okay, now see your blog. Refresh it. come in the bottom. See here, designed by Shahnawaz Usmani. You can remove these things from there. Okay, we want only these things, so remove these things from your gadget, and only this thing will be shown. Okay, so I think you have understand that how we can customize our blog, how can we set our gadgets, how can we write our gadgets and widgets, and how can we set our layout. Okay, I hope that you have understand very well. If you don't have understand anything, so ask me in comments, and how you rate this video also tell me in comments. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel, and also click on bell icon to receive latest videos of the channel. Okay, so till next video, take care of yourself, and it's goodbye from me.